While as this probe intensifies in the Delhi blast case, the focus is deepening more and more on the Al Falah University that's situated in Haryana's Dhoj. It's the same university which is prominently linked to the Faridabad terror module. And this university actually came under the scanner after 3 doctors linked to it came under the spotlight after the Faridabad terror module was unraveled. These 3 doctors are Muzammil Shakil, Umar Muhammad and Shaheen Shahid. Muzammil and Umar are from Kashmir and Shaheen is from Lucknow, and all 3 had been working at the Faridabad hospital, investigators have revealed. According to our sources, all 3 were working as senior doctors at the university cum hospital, and as a result, investigating agencies conducted a large-scale raid in this Al Falah University in which all CCTV cameras were scanned by the relevant investigators. And as per our sources, at least 52 doctors have been questioned, after which 3 more doctors from this university have been detained. In terms of when it was established, well, it was established in 2014 by the Al Falah Trust. And as per our sources, 40% doctors of the Al Falah University are from Kashmir. Anushka joins us this morning from the Al Falah University in Faridabad with the latest update. Anushka, we're given to understand over 50 doctors from this university have now been questioned while 3 have been detained.
That's right, Parmeshwar. We are standing outside the Al Falah University, which is believed to be the epicenter of this whole incident. Now, as per the Delhi police, we are getting to know that this is the very place from during which from 29th of October till 11th of November, the car was parked inside the university. This is the very university in which both 3 senior doctors were working. Those were Muzammil, Shakil, Umar and Shaheen Shahid. Now, we'll try to show you some visuals also of this university. We have seen that yesterday there was a lot of movement here. The Haryana police, the Jammu Kashmir police, all and the Delhi police special can raid more of the premises here. But also we know that from the past 3.5 years, Dr. Muzammil Shakil was teaching here and staying here as a senior doctor. What the residents have told NDTV is that they were getting their children treated by Muzammil Shakil. He used to be in the night shift during the time he was staying here. And also Shaheen's car, which is the Swift car that the Haryana police has detained now, was being used to in fact navigate the arms and ammunitions to the rented accommodation of Muzammil Shakil that he had taken barely a few kilometers from here. That is the house of a local Maulvi. The local Maulvi has also been detained. 54 of the faculty members had been questioned yesterday, and 6 of them have been detained by the police. And also further investigation is in fact going on as to how someone who this close to Delhi NCR can amass such a huge amount, a massive haul of arms and ammunition and explosives. We are getting to know that those explosives were made prematurely, and also high explosive materials were in fact also used to make those explosives. This is the very university where the car, the I-20 that was used for the blast, had been parked here for the past few days. And also we had access to CCTV footage where on 29th of October the car was in fact getting the PUC done, because without PUC it might not be able to enter Delhi NCR given the situation here. But also we are seeing that this was a huge nexus. The police was in fact very close to establishing the whole connection, the whole module. Who all of them were in fact working in close coordination to target what were the main targets, because the investigating agencies have reasons to believe that it could have been anywhere in Delhi NCR. Also the activity of the car was seen around Mayur Vihar, Connaught Place and Sunehri Masjid in Delhi. So the suspects were in fact trying to establish the fact that where they can do the majority of damage. As we know that Chandni Chowk is a highly congested area, and around 6 a.m. is the time when it is the peak hour. There many major footfall can be seen during that time, and we saw how this blast took place.
We are talking about senior doctors at this university cum hospital you're reporting from. 1 from Lucknow, 2 from Kashmir. In fact, investigators now say they may have used their professional cover to move explosives, as Anushka is reporting, to move arms and possibly even coordinate with handlers abroad. In terms of Dr. Shaheen and the role Dr. Shaheen played, here's a report that sheds more light on the role that this doctor played who worked at the Al Falah University. Take a look.
Dr. Shaheen, part of the Jaish-e-Mohammed Faridabad module, arrested from Lucknow. This is the female doctor who worked at Faridabad's Al Falah Medical College near the capital. and along with Dr. Umar, who allegedly triggered the blast outside the Red Fort, and Dr. Muzammil, who was hiding nearly 3,000 kgs of explosives, is part of the 10/11 terror conspiracy.
It was here the Dr. Shaheen, along with Dr. Umar and Dr. Muzammil, used to work, the Al Falah Medical College in Faridabad. It was here that her Swift Desire car was recovered with ammunition stacked inside, a network of white-collar terrorists, radicalized on Telegram groups and waiting to strike terror.
Dr. Shaheen's father, Syed Ahmad Ansari, has no clue she could be involved in such activities.
मैंने आपसे बताया कि वो करीब 1.5 साल हो गए। बात अभी 1 महीने पहले लगे हमसे बात हुई है शाहीन से। हाँ, परवेज से कब आपकी? परवेज से हर हफ्ते होती बात। कल मेरी नहीं हुई इसलिए बात, कल मैं शादी में था।
The father had not met Shaheen and Parvez for the last 1.5 years as they went to pursue medical studies. Dr. Shaheen's brother, Parvez, has been detained and is under questioning for his possible involvement. He was previously absconding as his Lucknow house was being raided by NIA and ATS teams.
पुलिस ने शाहीन को, डॉक्टर शाहीन को गिरफ्तार किया है कि आपको इस बात की कोई अहमियत है? पता चला आपको किसी से?
हमें तो किसी से नहीं पता, आप ही लोग से पहली बात पता लग रहा है।
NDTV has accessed exclusive details about Dr. Shaheen and her role in the plot. She was allegedly recruited by the Jaish-e-Mohammed to establish the terror organization's women's wing in India. Its Pakistan arm is headed by Jaish chief Masood Azhar's sister. Dr. Shaheen was allegedly assigned to establish and lead the women's wing of Jaish-e-Mohammed. Shaheen's digital trail is now being scanned to unearth the full extent of the women-led terror network that was planned. Investigators believe she was in contact with handlers across the border in Pakistan. NDTV Bureau Report.